All right, in Pennsylvania State Capitol, House Education Committee members, they're making a mental health issues, they're making a priority.
They certainly are. And a vote today sent 3 bills to the House floor that addresses mental health in schools at several levels. Our Kara Jeffers has more information tonight. Good evening.
Good evening, Mike and Eva. Today's voting session was actually a finale to a slew of informational hearings that took place over the past 2 days. Elected officials see the bills that they addressed today as just one step in addressing systemic issues in mental health in schools. The House Education Committee voted to send 3 bills to the House floor. One bill adds the 988 mental health hotline to school ID cards. Another grants students 3 excused absences for mental health days.
Get yourself in a good spot, and then we'll go back to school tomorrow. Parents are already doing this. Problem is, parents are doing this by lying to their school district by saying, my kid had a doctor's appointment. And what we're trying to do is take away the stigma.
The final bill would standardize school counseling services in Pennsylvania by defining the role of school counselors and assigning ratios for students to counselors. For committee members, these bills are the start, not the end of conversation. They attended 3 informational hearings in the past 2 days that focused on how to create impactful mental health systems in schools. One barrier identified was workforce shortages.
I think we do have to work on finding more affordable options for people to enter the workforce in education and to be highly trained and effective in what they're doing.
Concerns were also raised about how to wisely distribute resources and responsibilities among all groups, like county agencies and private organizations, that can impact mental health in youth.
Everybody wants more money and more resources, but we have to make sure that the money and resources are growing to a structure that works, and that county agencies and school districts, that they're not cannibalizing each other, all competing for the same funding.
I learned that the counselor bill focuses more on ratioing how a counselor spends their day rather than that counselor to student ratio. But all of these conversations that have been happening will be wrapped into the budget conversations that we can expect to start in the coming weeks. From Harrisburg, I'm Kara Jeffers, Erie News Now.
All right, Kara.